Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make these irresistible chocolate chip cookies. Okay, let's get started. Don't go nowhere, stay tuned to the end. So we are going to start off with room temperature butter, and it's 4 ounces, and 4 ounces equals half cup. So half cup room temperature butter. And to this, I'm going to be adding half cup of brown sugar and also half cup of granulated sugar. And you're going to cream this for about a minute or two. So just look at what I'm doing, and after it's all come together, I am going to add another ingredient, okay? And creaming is what is going to help your cookies to hold together, okay? Let me say a warm welcome to you all. To my returning subscribers, you are welcome back. And if today is your first time here, and if you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching, okay? Also, don't forget to share. So now it has all come together. I'm going to add 1 egg. And since we use room temperature butter, it is advisable to use room temperature egg, okay? So I crack in my egg and I am mixing it. Now when you see your mixture well incorporated like this and a little bit airy, it's the time for you to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it, and when it's well incorporated, we are also going to add some other ingredients, okay? That is why I said stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Now I'm going to sift in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I've listed the ingredients right there. And also half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda. Take note, baking soda, not baking powder, okay? You're also going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to help the cookies to be crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. Oh my goodness, they are so good. It smells so good. The smell of the vanilla, You're going to enjoy it, I know that. Now mix everything together until everything is well incorporated. And if you see something like this, you are almost done and the cookies are almost ready to be baked. Yay! Now you're going to add 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. And this is Ghirardelli semi-sweet chocolate chips. If you don't have it and you have chocolate, you can chop some and then add it to your batter, okay? Now mix until it's well combined, and then we are going to form into balls, and I'll show you what step next to take, okay? And as you can see, we are not using any machine, we are just using hands. Everything is by hand. And if you are making a big batch of this, then you have to use your machine. If not, this is okay. I'm just using a tablespoon to scoop and form it into balls. And I've got my little girl helping me today, so I just wanted to mention that if you have the kids home for a snow day, a rainy day, or if you have the grandkids coming over, this is something that you're going to enjoy doing it. So just have fun with it, have fun with the kids, grandkids, and you're going to enjoy. Everybody is going to enjoy one of it, right? We gotta watch what we eat. Now these are ready. I'm going to stick them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes and then we'll bake them, okay? If you also want to make a big batch of this, just double the quantity of the ingredients, and then when they're ready like this, you can store some in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. And anytime you feel like eating homemade chocolate chip cookies, just take them out and let them thaw on the countertop for about 20 minutes and then bake them, and they're ready. You're going to enjoy them fresh and it's good. Enjoy them with a cup of milk and you're good to go, okay? So now I'm going to separate. You just want some space in between them, at least 2 inches, and then you're going to bake them. It's going into the preheated oven 325 for 15 to 20 minutes. Mine took exactly 16 minutes, so keep checking on them. And they're ready. Just look. Oh my goodness, we are going to enjoy these. Now let these rest on the baking pan until they are cool and safe to touch, okay, before you transfer them. Now let's see. This is so gooey in the inside. It is still a little bit warm, but when it cooled down, everything was set, okay? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.